This is Carl from SLO Sail and Canvas. I'm going to show you how to fit a batten into a dinghy sail. This is a very common batten pocket arrangement. We have elastic in the front end, opening in the rear for the batten. This batten happens to be a tapered batten, so you want to check your battens and see if they are just a pull-treated batten or a tapered batten. This one's tapered. You can put it straight on the back here. Lots of curve up front. The flexible end goes in first. Okay. To prepare the batten, we're going to do a couple layers of insignia cloth. I'm just cutting this with a scissor. This pads the tip of the batten and helps keep it from punching through the sail. Okay. Okay, so the front of the batten's padded, ready to put in. Pocket, tapered in is going in first. Okay, push the batten all the way into the pocket. It should stop all the way against the very front end of the pocket. I'm putting a little mark about 3/16 of an inch aft of the opening. Okay, you'll notice that when the elastic relaxes, that point is just a little aft the leech. Okay. Trim it with the hacksaw. You'll see I'm doing a little bit of a pull stroke here, getting around the ends. I know it cuts on the push stroke, but by pulling, we're able to just sever some of the fibers gently so we don't end up with all those unidirectional fibers getting thrown out of the batten. There we go. Well, sandpaper, just sanding around the edges. The edges come pre-rounded, that's why we didn't need to sand the front end of the batten there. Okay. One layer of insignia cloth, put a second layer on here, and install it. Okay, and we use the scissors as kind of a shoehorn to get this all the way in. Okay. Just open up the pocket, do that, elastic pushes it to the leech, and this will not come out of the pocket. So that is how to measure and fit a dinghy batten. Thanks.